I remember being in my final year of uni, being overweight at the time. I went through a lot of diets, did workouts that I found in articles, and even tried meal replacements. It worked, but it didn't last, so I finally decided to drop one habit a message. As someone who can be a little awkward when meeting new people, I initially found it difficult to go for classes. But the warmth of the people at One Habit and the safe space this place has provided me made it a lot easier. What keeps me coming back is definitely the community. I've made a lot of friends here, and being able to work out with others who share the same goal and purpose is amazing. I love that the coaches here are always ready to share the knowledge, and they really changed my mindset towards fitness and health. On top of that, they've taught me to love myself a little more. My piece of advice for anyone else who may be going through the same things I did is to be ready to unlearn, be open to relearn, and don't forget to do things for the right reasons. Everything else will follow through.